Look, this is the car. It takes us on trips with our family. Car! It uses a seatbelt to keep us safe. Wow, a bus! It is very big and carries many passengers. Bus! It stops at bus stops for people to get on. Look at the motorcycle. It only has 2 wheels and is very agile. Motorcycle! You must wear a helmet to ride it. Look at the bicycle. It moves when you pedal with your legs. Bicycle! It is a very fun and healthy exercise. Look at the garbage truck. It cleans the city by picking up trash. Garbage truck. It has a strong arm to lift heavy bins. Look, a taxi. It takes you anywhere if you hail it. Taxi! They are often bright colors like yellow. Look at the pickup truck. It has a bed in the back to carry things. It is perfect for carrying wood, boxes, or plants. Look at the van! It is like a small house with many seats. Van! Many friends and all their suitcases fit inside. Quick, the fire truck! It carries a very long ladder to reach high up. Fire truck! It has a giant hose that shoots lots of water. Look at the ambulance. It takes sick people to the hospital very fast. Ambulance! Its lights flash so others let it pass through. Look at the police car. It helps police officers keep the city safe. Police car! It has a siren that sounds very loud. Up there, the rescue helicopter! It flies high to help people in danger. Rescue helicopter! It can land in places where there are no streets. Look at the excavator! It has a long arm with a giant scoop. Excavator! It is an expert at digging very deep holes. Look at the dump truck! It carries lots of sand, rocks, or dirt. Dump truck! Its bed lifts up to dump all the load. Wow, a crane! It is very tall and has a metal hook. Crane! It lifts very heavy things that no one else can. Look at the cement mixer. It has a drum that never stops spinning. Cement mixer! It mixes the cement so it doesn't get hard. Look at the steamroller. It has a giant and heavy metal wheel. Steamroller. It makes the ground smooth and flat for roads. Look at the tractor. It helps farmers plow the land. Tractor. It has very big back wheels for the mud. Look at the forklift. It uses 2 forks to lift up boxes. Forklift. It is small but very strong for moving cargo. Look at the airplane. It has giant wings to fly through the sky. Airplane. It is the fastest vehicle to travel far away. Look at the small plane. It is a small plane for just a few passengers. Small plane. It can fly lower to see the view. Wow, the hot air balloon! It flies using hot air inside a balloon. Hot air balloon! It travels very slowly and peacefully with the wind. Look at the rocket! It is the only one that can travel into space. Rocket! It takes astronauts to visit the moon. Look at the blimp! It looks like a giant whale floating in the air. Blimp! It is very big and moves very slowly. Look at the ship! It is very big and floats on the ocean water. Ship! It carries thousands of toys and food around the world. Look at the rowboat! It is small and moves with the strength of your arms. Rowboat! Wooden oars are used to push the water. Look at the sailboat! It uses the wind to move with its white sails. Sailboat! It doesn't need an engine because the air pushes it. Look at the submarine! It can travel under the water just like a fish. Submarine! It has round windows to look at the sharks. Look at the jet ski! It is like a motorcycle, but for racing on water. Jet ski! It shoots a very fun jet of water out the back. Look at the canoe! It is long and thin for going down rivers. Canoe! You must keep your balance so you don't get wet. Look at the kayak. It is a small boat for 1 or 2 people. Kayak. You use a double paddle to move through the water. Wow, a ferry. It is a big boat that carries cars. Ferry. It crosses the sea to take us to other islands. Wow, a freight train. It is very long and carries heavy boxes and cars. Freight train. It has a lot of strength to pull all that weight. Look at the subway. It travels through secret tunnels underground. Subway. It is super fast and there are never any traffic lights. Look at the ice cream truck. It carries ice cream of many flavors and colors. Ice cream truck. It plays happy music to let you know it's here. Look at the F1 car. It is very low and has wings to go fast. F1 car. The driver wears a helmet and a special suit. Wow, a monster truck. It has giant wheels, bigger than you. Monster truck. It can jump over other cars without braking. Look at the scooter. You push off with 1 foot to go very fast. Scooter. It has handlebars to turn around. Look at the tricycle. It has 3 wheels so you don't fall down. Tricycle. It is perfect for learning how to pedal. Look at the snowmobile. It has skis in the front to go over ice. Snowmobile. It glides very fast on cold mountains. Look at the ATV. It has 4 fat wheels for the mud. ATV. It can climb hills and jump in the dirt. Look at the sled. It has no wheels. It slides through the snow. Sled. Dogs or reindeer can pull it with strength. Look at the golf cart. It is tiny and moves without making noise. Golf cart. It takes players across the green grass. Wow, the Snowplow. It cleans the streets when a lot of snow falls. Snowplow. It has a giant shovel to clear the path. at the street sweeper. It has spinning brushes to clean the ground. Street sweeper! It picks up leaves and dust from the city. Look at the space shuttle. It flies outside the Earth toward the stars. Space shuttle. It comes back home landing like a plane. Look at the lunar rover. It is a little car that rolls on the moon. Lunar rover. It has special wheels so it doesn't sink. Wow, a limousine. It is a very, very long and fancy car. Limousine! Inside it has many lights and a TV. Wow, a rally car. It can jump and race through mud and snow. Rally car! It has extra lights to see in the forest. Look at the go-kart! It is a tiny car for child pilots. Go-kart! It has no doors. You hop right in.